So you're going to have a vendor table. Today I'm going to give you 3 more powerful tips to get the most from your vendor table. Now, we already talked about the importance of a goal, so I'm just reminding you that you have an actual intention and a goal for your vendor table. You put it in writing, you focus on it, and you feel it every day. All right, tip number 2 is intentional promotion in advance of your event. Many people show up at the event, set up their vendor table, and that's where it all starts. They assume in a passive way that somehow everybody's going to be magnetized to their vendor table and they're going to be successful. That's not the case. What you do before having your vendor table will guarantee your success. So deliberate promotion on social media, to your email list, as you're out and networking. What are you offering special? Is there something that's going to happen special that day on your vendor table? Do you have a raffle prize that is just super cool? Is it donating to a really cool cause? Talk about those things. Is there a story behind your products and what you offer? Invite people. Will they get some kind of special consultation or some bonus gift or some special discount? You want to draw them to the vendor table. Now, here is a very cool success tip number 3, collaboration. All great things happen when we collaborate. There will be many vendor tables at your event. Now imagine if every vendor table was deliberate and intentional about promoting and inviting. Imagine that there was 20 vendor tables and each one invited 10 people. They got serious about having 10 people at the event. Well, that would be 200 people coming to your vendor table, only 10 of which you were intentional. You see, together, we all achieve so much more. So set a goal, promote in advance, be very intentional, and collaborate with the other vendor tables. That's your tips for today.